Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Get ready to elevate your toolbox with the USAG set of 12 combination wrenches with special X grip profiles. This professional hand tool set covers all your needs, from automotive repairs to industrial assembly. Each wrench features innovative X grip profiles that grip both new and damaged fasteners with ease. No more slipping or stripping. Plus, the extended length gives you that extra leverage for those tough jobs, making fastening and loosening a breeze. Crafted from durable chrome vanadium steel and designed for maximum clearance, this USAG ensures you can work comfortably and efficiently. With sizes ranging from 8 to 19 millimeters, you'll always have the right tool at hand. Upgrade your tool set today with the USAG and discover more at the link in the description.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.